Well, the Justice Department is no longer trying to stop Idaho from enforcing its near-total abortion ban. The DOJ, now under President Donald Trump, filed a motion today to dismiss the lawsuit the agency filed more than 2 years ago. Well, Abby Davis is here to break down the move people are calling unsurprising.
Brian, everyone I talked to saw the motion coming. So did St. Luke's Health System, which filed a different lawsuit recently to try and stop the state from enforcing the ban, even during emergency situations.
We were grateful.
State leaders are celebrating after the Justice Department filed a motion to drop a lawsuit against Idaho's strict abortion laws Wednesday.
The argument by the Department of Justice and under the Biden administration was a ridiculous argument.
The Biden administration filed suit in 2022, claiming Idaho's Defense of Life Act violates the Federal Emergency Medical Treatment and Labor Act, or EMTALA. EMTALA requires hospitals to provide emergency medical care, which could include an abortion.
We've got a law on the federal side that says we need to make sure that we provide abortion care for the health of the woman. We've got a law on the state side here in Idaho that says you can only provide an abortion if you can show that the woman's life is in danger.
McKay Cunningham is a local constitutional law professor.
And it's that conflict which is at the heart of this controversy here.
Both our law and EMTALA require the doctors to give life-saving services.
Attorney General Raul Labrador says Idaho's near-total abortion ban is clear, unlike what some doctors claim. Abortion is only legal in cases of rape, incest, and to prevent the death of the mother.
Every single time that we have asked a doctor why the law in the state of Idaho would prevent them from performing an abortion in the circumstances that they're worried about, the law of the state of Idaho allows them to perform the abortion.
Great Northwest Planned Parenthood President Rebecca Gibron says doctors often can't tell right away if pregnancy complications might turn deadly. She called Wednesday's move cruel.
It will absolutely endanger the lives of Idahoans.
Like I mentioned earlier, St. Luke's lawsuit is going through the courts. There was a hearing today about whether an injunction stopping a portion of the near-total ban from going into effect should continue. A judge will make a decision in the coming weeks, Brian.
And all the doctors we've spoken to about this say they don't want to have to wait for a patient to deteriorate to that point where they have to make that decision.
Right.
So that's kind of what's going on with that. But the legal battles over Idaho's Defense of Life Act, they are not going anywhere, are they?
No, but when and if they do, Labrador says that he's confident Idaho will come out on top.
It's worth pointing out, too, St. Luke's filed an order, a restraining order last night to keep that injunction going. It was approved last night, but then there was hearing today to kind of go on with that.
Yeah, lots of moving parts.
To see if that will continue. All right, thank you very much, Abby.